guys, welcome to my channel Artistic Trails. Today in this video I am going to show you all how to do Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting is an Indian painting which is practiced in a region called Mithila in India. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's begin with the sketching. Here I am doing border. I have used scale for this. I have divided it into 3 different parts. Now I am doing detailing work of the border. I am done with the border. Now I am doing Ganapati, Lord Ganesha sketch. Here I have started sketching Ganesha. This is very easy. Ganesha sketch. Even beginners can do it. This painting is done with variety of tools like nib, brushes, even the finger. It's done on cloth as well. Here I am doing it with watercolor on drawing paper. You can do it on the cloth as well. It looks good even more in acrylic colors on canvas. It is very colorful type of painting. Madhubani painting is characterized by its geometrical patterns and it is very beautiful type of painting. It's one of the famous folk art of India. Madhubani painting is the painting created by the women of different communities in the Mithila region of India. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the new updates of my art channel. Here I am doing some designs. Here I am doing design. Now I have started doing the design on ears of Ganesha. Now I am doing design. Here you can do anything, any design here. It's of your choice. I am using simple design like lines, square, round. I am almost done with design of Ganesha. Now I am doing a border. Border you can do anything. I have used some line design here. It's very easy to do. Same design I am doing it on the 4 sides. Here I am doing a leaf design. This is done on both the sides of the border, down as well. Now I have started sketching eyes of Ganesha. I am almost done with the sketching now. So let's start with the coloring. Here I have taken light red in watercolors. You can take burnt sienna as well. Light red looks very beautiful. I have not used much water here. I am not doing wet and wet technique here. Only I have applied direct color from the tube. In light red color I am using it for the borders of 4 sides as well. Now I have completed both sides with light red. Now I am using light red for Ganesha as well. Here I am filling the color on face of Ganesha. Here I have filled whole face with light red. I have completed it. Now I am doing the background here. For background I have used yellow ochre plus white and I am filling all over the background. After finishing yellow ochre and white as a background. Now I am doing it the same color on border. Here I have completed with the border as well. Now I am using Viridian green. You can use any green here, olive green, sap green or Viridian green, emerald green as well. For some designs I am using the green color here. Here I am using orange, permanent orange for some designs like flowers or some other designs. Here I am using orange color, permanent orange. You can use red as well. Here I am filling orange color for flowers, petals of the flowers. It's very easy type of painting because no shading required here. Only take up the color and apply it on sheet. It's very easy type of painting, no need of basics required here. I have taken the same Viridian green. You can use any other green as well, but Viridian green looks very good. Now I am using royal blue. You can use cobalt blue. You can use tallow blue or turquoise blue as well. Blue is used for the design on ears as well. Doing design with same green color, Viridian green. For some areas I am using gamboge yellow color here. You can use same orange color as well. It looks pretty. Using black sketch pen, you can use a black watercolor as well. I have completed almost outline with using black color only. Black color sketch pen makes easy to paint or to do. Here I have completed almost outline with black color. Only few areas have left. Let's do Ganesha eyes with black color only. Few incomplete areas I have completing with black color only. For eyes I am using it the same. Now I am doing the outline of eyes. I am filling the color with the black color only. You can leave it with half white or half black. Here I have completed full eyeball with black color only. I am done with the painting. Hope you like my today's video. Please do subscribe to